Okay guys, so we're on the subway station and we're gonna go down. So we are in our adventure. Hey, right here. She said we have to go down. And then we're gonna walk down. walk. Ooh. Wait, I hate this. I hate kuan man good height. I'm not good in height. I was like say hi. For FYI, her name is Eleanor. She's my cousin and she's beautiful. So this is the subway station. We're going to hop in a train going to Union Station, and then there we're gonna walk around. There's this way. There. And then just push the door. Oh my gosh! So this is the subway station. This way is going to subway station in Canada. That's going to train station. Daghan kaayo sila diri. Subway and buses. Dili man na siya nga kuan lang day buses. That's subway and buses man. So right here. Station map. Yeah. Milkway Avenue. Sumusa ka na sadta. Exit naman na. May exit lagi ta. Kaya mo ato na sa Taglaig entrance. Kamoto yung ilan niya? Yes. Basta nga ito maatungan na. Excuse me. Ana, dito. Yeah. Kaya immigrant naman po na sila. Exit lagi daw ta. Mo exit lang lagi daw ta. See? Mamuta na tabi. Now we're here in the train station. Oh, the train day, dali day. Huh? Night train, oh. Sakay ta dayon. Where? Right here. Ari ta na. Para magtupad ta diri eh. Diri ta. Sige. Wilson Yard. Hello guys, we're here at Union Station. We're here at Union Station. Oopsie. Okay, let's go up. And then we're gonna find foodie. We're hungry. And then andayon mi mag lakaw dayon. Exit. Day, asa man ang exit?
I don't know.
Where's the exit? This one, baby. We should not go. Okay. Okay, exit.
Line and cars.
I think it's
There's another exit in there. This one is a station. This way.
It's the next station.
Buntog na siya. It's cold now, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that tower. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's look. Ay. Dali na picture ang tika diri sa building day. Oh my gosh. Postal imong trabahoan. Da picture ka diri.
Like, nagkaroon ko.
Namay.
Not like a thought in this beautiful world. I'm not around.
in Canada, it's kind of
Dapat na kay gamay nga
somebody there.
kanang bitong gamay bitong nga
Nag-read na siya ng mga.
gamay na siya.
Pinunta na pagka-online because